Welcome back to Pokey's Mechanical, guys. Got myself in a little bit of hot water this week with TikTok. I've been put in TikTok jail and I can't post. I'm not 100% certain why. So, a couple of updates of what's going on around the shop. One is the clutch. I've got to do a warranty job on a clutch. So, the clutch in question is a Clutch Industries clutch. And you can see in there that that's all fallen apart. That's all the clutch material off that. Let me just pull this out. I don't like touching this because it makes me itchy as soon as I pick it up. But yeah, that's no good. No good at all. Pressure plate's no good. We've got to get the flywheel out, and then we can put this gearbox back in. So that's going to be going back in today. This is out of a D40 Navara with a YD25 engine in it. Okay, so what's going to be going in it is an Australian Clutch Services clutch, which is an Extreme Outback four-wheel drive clutch. Let me open this up and show you what's in here. So these come really well packaged. I really like how these are put together. I'm guessing that might be the clutch itself. Yep. So there's our clutch. It's going to go in it. Pull that out. And pressure plate, new throw-up bearing, spigot bearing, new fasteners there, new flywheel fasteners, and this is a single mass flywheel conversion type flywheel. So this is the actual flywheel there. They weigh an absolute ton, and that's going to be going in soon. So that's the clutch kit for the D40 Navara. That's going to be going in today. We've got Michael here at the moment doing a, what is it? A tribute. It's not the greatest car in the world, it's just a tribute. We've got a gearbox issue with this thing. It's like the torque converter's locked up. And when you come to a stop, it's almost stalling the engine. And when you accelerate, the revs won't go up. It just drives like it's mechanically locked to the gearbox in the gears. So we've got to change the gearbox out, and he's only just got that out. How much fun is it getting a gearbox out of a tribute, mate?
If not, I can guarantee you 110% it's not fun at all. Would not recommend.
I thought he said he liked his job here at Pokey's Mechanical. He was telling me last week it was like the best week he'd had at a job, like a new job, and now he's fucking whinging like a little bitch. Alright, so he's on to that, and we have, because it's Wednesday, we've got Harley from Reese High, and he's got his own little TikTok following going now that he started working here and doing a bit of work experience. So make sure you hit him up on TikTok. What is it?
HT Performance.
HT Performance, righto. So he does a few videos about his Civic and does some other online racing stuff with simulator racing and stuff like that. Right, I better get back to work. I just need to do this quick video because I haven't been doing them during the week, and I need to do them during the week to keep you guys updated. I will probably do some videos of the gearbox and the clutch going in the car.